Alright, hey guys, so Alphonse here from OSP, and this is our video that's talking now about how we're going to edit the pages and make them look really amazing, like the one we have right now here. That's what we got. Now let's look at what our website looks like right now. This is how it looks like, because we created these pages, and that's where they are. If you click on different pages, you can see like there's really nothing. Okay, so we're going to modify that content together. We're going to do that, and yeah, so let's do that. And before we go there, let's activate plugins. Let's make sure the plugins are activated. If you didn't activate the plugins during the installation, just do it now. Go to plugins and check on Elementor where it's activated, and WP Formlight, it's also activated. That's good. Now what I want to do is to come up with a website that looks exactly like this. See that? I want to come up with something like that. Okay, so this is exactly what I want to come up with, and with those blogs, machine learning, so you can register and go to the form. So you see the about page. Yep, all that is possible with WordPress. So that's what our theme can do. So let's see how now we can edit our pages quickly, but let's start with the home page, like the one I have here. So quickly with me, let's go to the home page right there. Just click on the logo. Let's first add a logo, and then then we can go and add a lot of stuff in the menu and those buttons there. So this is how we edit. You just go to appearance of your website, then you go to customize. Okay, there are so many ways to go there, like theme and then customize. Yeah, so I'm going to appearance, then customize. It will take me to my customize window. This is customize window, and I'm customizing right now Astra, and that's my official website. Okay, so let's click with layout. I want to check out the logo and other stuff. Let's click layout, and then just click layout, go to header, and then site identity. Well, this is where we put the logo. Now the logo I have in the gallery. Now sometimes if you don't have, you may find you have the gallery and then you have the uploaded. So if you don't have anything in your gallery, because I just added some photos in my gallery, now you can go ahead and drag. Okay, just leave the gallery. You can still drag here, they will upload. So the photos, I had them in a folder like this, then I had to drag and drop them the other side that way. Okay, so this is how you download the photo. Just drag it and it will be uploaded. Okay, it's already on the server, so that photo is uploaded, but I have that one, so I can just go ahead and delete it. But you can either download from here or from there. Okay, just drop files anywhere, okay, to upload. Okay, it can be a PDF, a video, or whatever it is. Okay, so let me just say I have a video. I have some video here. Let me upload it. Okay, so I can just drag it there. It will upload my video. Okay, so I have a video. You can just go ahead and upload it, and it will look okay. Let me just do that. I have a short video. Okay, it's just too short and it's not really heavy. So the video is already uploaded right there. So what I need is the logo, and I have it. So just here you click select logo, and then you have that, right? So just don't forget to add this. It's called the internship logo. So this is the alt text. Okay, it's the purpose of the image, so you can describe it. So I may not be adding for all the images to save time, but don't forget to add the alt text. It's very, very important. And so after selecting the logo, just say select, and then well, this would be great, but I don't want to crop my logo, because if I do crop it, it will not make any sense anymore. So what I do instead, I just script cropping. Okay, click that, and when it keeps cropping, then it shows me a bigger logo. But of course I have more options right here with Astra. Again, resize the logo width. Okay, so I'm going to first hide that title under here. Just untick this. Okay, display site title, you just untick it and the title will disappear. Then here you can decide to reduce the size of your logo. Okay, that way. Okay, that's good. That size is really good. But you can also try to set the site icon. Okay, this is the site icon, like that one right there. Okay, now right now we have only the default server icon. That's the one we have right now. I'm going to change it by clicking here, and then we can add the same. It should be square, something like 500 by 500 pixels. So I'm going to just add this, but you know, this is how it will appear, okay, as our app icon. So I'm just going to say crop. Well, that's it. So we can see it on the other side. But if you save and check on the website here, the front end, you can see we have the logo already. So that's okay. Then let's do let's create now let's try to test. As you can see here, we have different icons. This is for the desktop environment, this is for tablets, and that's for mobile devices. So you can keep testing your website on different platforms, you know. That's the phone, the tablet, that's how it shows. That's good. How about the phone? Well, still cool, right? That's great. Now let's now go back and what should we do again? Good. We are going to add a menu. We are going to add a menu here, and make sure you have this order, because this is the design that I first had. Okay, we designed this, and this is the one we want to have, right? So I'm going to just say, oh, it's a order again. It's about internship. Good. So I'm going to just go back, and back. Okay, so I'm going to click menu, and then here I need a menu, but I don't have menu. You see here, I don't have a menu yet. So it doesn't look like your site has menus yet. You want to build one? Click the button to start. Well, you can click one from here. There are two ways to build a menu. You can start one from here. You just give it a name. Okay, you just give it a name, then you click next. Okay, if you click a name and give it names, let's maybe say main menu. Okay, just right here say okay, create one. You can create one. Main menu, you can leave this and just click next. Okay, and well, then it say okay, then you want to add items to your menu, right? You say yeah, of course. Then you can select. These are the pages that you have in your pages. That's why we first created pages earlier, because menus are created using pages, because menu allows you to navigate through different pages, you know. Now we are going to keep adding stuff to our menu. So I'm going to say just click it, it will be added. Click that one, courses, it will be added. Blog, it will be added. Just click contact, and that, and finally that one. So the first one, we don't need to add it, it's just a custom link. You can also add another page right here and add it, okay, and it will create a new page automatically. So the thing is, we need now to organize this so we can get this very order. The home page come first, okay? So let's try to organize them that way. So just drag and drop these things, okay? Drag and drop them, and you know, just keep dragging and drop. Apply now, maybe should be at the end, you know. Courses, maybe somewhere around here, you know. About us, maybe should come after home. Internship, then blog, then contact at the very end. Okay, so we have something like that. Now if we have something like that, then we can say okay, that menu is too great, let's do that. So you just publish, and then when you publish, you can go ahead and add now the menu. Now you specify the menu location, because here still the home page is not reflected here like as the first item. So you're going to say view location. Now here you are going to say primary menu. It's the menu at the top. So I'm going to say it's the main menu, the menu we just created. Okay, good. So that's it, that's our menu. Just publish. Now we can have another menu called footer menu. Okay, that's our website allows us to have two footer menus. Now we are going to create another menu, but this time we are going to create it using a different technique, a different way of creating menus. So just close this to go to the dashboard. Then under appearance, click menus. Now here you can see we have menu we created from the other side. Now we are going to say create new menu, just this button here, create new menu. Now call it footer menu. Now this menu is going to be a little different from the other one, so that you can know the difference. Here we are going to just say apply now, internship, contact us, and about us. There will be no home and nothing, okay? And just that. Then courses, okay? It will just have 5 items. Then say add to menu. So this is what the footer menu is going to be. Just say internship, courses, contact. Just let's even, yeah, contact is okay. About us, maybe about us should come there. So it's different, okay? We call it the footer menu. So I'm going to save it, save that menu. Then let's go back to appearance and customize. Then we go back to customize. Now we want to set this time the footer menu to that menu we just created. So go under menus and then select footer menu and say footer menu, okay? We are going to see it where it will display. Alright, so what's remaining is we want to come up with a great look, okay? Now let's add something like we are going to add a section right here. We're going to add a section. Let's add a footer, okay? We're going to add a footer just at the bottom here so we can display it. Yeah, I'm still under a local, under layout. Let's go to footer this time. We are going to footer, but before we go to footer, let's add, because this layout is looking great, let's add a button there. It's called apply now, and yeah, let's add that button, and that button is under header, okay? Header, then primary header. Now primary header allows you to get so many options, like the header layout. You can either have the logo at the top or on the right, or just the default, which is the logo at the left, or you can disable that and say, you know what, I don't want the menu. So no one wants that. Well, now you can decide which last item should be which item should be the last in the menu. So here I'm choosing button, okay, so that I can get that very button right there. So the text I can say register now, register now, register now, okay, as the text of the button. And this is the link. The link you can just if you won't need the link, we are going to link it later. This is well, even the color will change it later. Yeah, that's it for the button. Then this one is for the mobile devices, okay, the layout, mobile alignment for the header. You can test it by just clicking mobile devices and test how it is be displaying, so you can choose which one you want, okay? So let's go back to the web desktop. Now you can publish that, or you can just go and add more, because we want to now you see. Alright, that's really something I really don't want. I want to get rid of one of these, like the apply now button. I want to get rid of it from the menu so that I can have a menu. I want it to fill the whole thing, like the header. I can either reduce the logo, you see how it's looking. I want it to fit on one line. I can either reduce the logo size, okay, to achieve that, or still I have control over everything right now. So let me go to footer. We want to add a footer. This is the website I made, just I made this one before that, okay? So what I'm trying to add is I want to first add this footer here, this footer section, okay? I want to add this footer section, then we will go together and add the content of the page, okay? So let's go and add the footer section. And right now we don't have one here. As you can see, there's no footer section here, so I'm just going to enable it because it's disabled. Just under customization, you go to layout and then look for footer. There's footer widget, so it's disabled. I'm going to enable it, so it allows me to have 4 sections on in my footer. So it's going to have that and say, alright, so I have 4 sections, okay? So there's a border right here, so I can give it a size and a color, maybe red or something like that, Let me give it red so you can see it's that border right there, that's red that I've just added. Now there's also another one, it's called footer bar. It's just the bar at the bottom. You can either have this one, okay, you can either have this one, so you can see the menu now is being shown, okay, or you can have it that way, okay. So that's the section 2. Okay, we have section 1 and section 2. So section 2 is showing a footer menu, okay, and section 1, let it show some custom text, okay. And this custom text you can modify it. There are some special tags like this one, okay, current year, it displays this current year here. Site title, it displays the official website title. And then this is a text that you can just add, like proudly. You can type another one, okay, proudly blah blah blah. You can brand yourself, say maybe designed by me, okay, by you, whatsoever, whoever designed it, but I'm just saying it's designed by, proudly designed by OSP students, okay. So that's it right now. And what we're gonna do, it's just to save, okay. Let's save it, okay, publish it, and then check it out. Wow, so this is what we got. We have the footer, which is really cool. Now let's see now in the next video how we are going now to achieve these pages, okay. Now before we do that, let's first decide which page is going to be the home page and which one is going to be the blog page. Let's look at that in the next video.